Hello, creative mind, welcome home. I am Survival, and in this class I'll be showing you how you can create a mobile app using your Android phone. In the previous class I already showed you how you can set up how you can create a Google Admob, that is, which will help you to monetize your app once you are done creating your app. So now, to create an app using your Android phone, what you need to do is this. You have to first of all go to this website, appyet.com. Okay, so this is it. Once you are on appyet.com, the next step is to click on Get Started. So once you're on Get Started, you sign up. Signing up is free of charge. So for this sign up, I'll be using my email, the online survival at gmail.com. Okay, so for password, let me use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'll use that as my password and put it here again: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so for first name I'll put the online, and then the last name I'll put survival. So with that, I'll click on sign up and then save. So here now, I just signed up to Appyet, and this is where I create my applications. The first thing to do now is to give my app a name. Okay, let's call it tutorial, or let's call it S creativity training. S creativity training. Okay, the package name, the website will automatically come up with a package name. So here I will change it to blank template. Okay, so this launcher, I think this is what it is here. Do I want it to be like this? Certainly no. I'll change it to menu class drawer. It will still change. You see it? This is what the app will look like. By the right side of the screen, you see what the app will look like. So I'll create the app. I'll click on create app. So from there now, I just started the journey of creating my app. So the application name is S Creativity Training. The version is 1. So now the application icon, I'll just change it and use my logo. Okay, I'll change it, choose a file and use my logo. Okay, let me use this. Let me look for my logo. Okay, this is my logo. Let me check for another one. I think I have a square logo. Okay, I'll be using this for it. Okay, so that's it. Rating and other things. Okay, let me just click everyone. You see, with this content rating, it shows whether the content, is it for low maturity, medium, high maturity, or whatever. I think I'm going for everyone, then I'll save changes. So having done that, I'll be going to the modules. So I'll click on modules. So these modules now, they help the functionality of the app. That's what the modules done. That's what the modules do. They help the functionality of the app. So there are a lot of things you can do with the modules. What now? Okay, so let me try to create something. I will go under this new module and pick YouTube. Okay, so I'll go for this YouTube. I'm creating a new module, so let me call it again Creativity Training, Creativity Lecture. So menu order, I'll just put in 4. I'll put in 4. So this feed now, let me say YouTube, let me say YouTube channel ID. So that's it. You see, actually what this thing does is this. It will fetch, once I upload any video on my YouTube channel, anybody that is having this app now, once he opens the app, you will see all my videos and can watch it from the app. That's what it does. It's not only about this YouTube channel, you can also use that to create feeds. Let's say for this popular blog, is it Niger blog or something like that? Even Tribune newspaper, you can use it to fetch. That is, once you open up the app, you see the news that Tribunes have on their newspaper. Once they put up any news, the news will automatically come up on your application. So all you need for that is the RSS feed. So you can explore this app and see what you can do with it. So but I'll be giving you an example of what you can do with it using this YouTube channel ID. So I'll go get my YouTube channel ID. Let me go look for it, because I don't even know it. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to get my YouTube channel ID. It's loading. So this is my channel ID here. Take a look. This is my YouTube channel ID. I'll just copy it. So once I copy it, I go back to the application here and then paste it in. Okay, and then paste it in. So once I paste it in, I'll just click on save. So it has saved. These are some settings that can be done. Article limit 200, minimum height 100, show visit website, open in default browser. No, I don't want it to open in default browser. Show share, yes. Show publisher, yes. Show publish date, yes. Module image and allow delete. No, I can't allow delete. Encoding auto detect header. I think I'm okay with this, so I'll just update. Okay, once I update, this is it. RSS atom feed, you can see it. So with this, I can add another YouTube channel. Maybe if I have the YouTube ID of AY, or maybe some of these popular comedians. I can add as many feed as possible. I can as well add up this what's the name now, I keep forgetting this, some of these popular blog, maybe Linda Ikeji's blog. I can get her RSS feed and add up all these things here. So when you open my app, you see a place for maybe my videos, another one for comedy videos, and so you can explore the app. That's the much I can say here. You can explore the app. So having done this, I'll go back to modules. I'll click to go back to modules. Here I am. Okay, so let me see. So now I'll be going back to setting. You can explore all these modules. You see it, WordPress, YouTube, Medium, Squarespace, Blogger, a lot of them. You can explore it. I'm only giving you the basics. So I'll move on to settings. So in these settings now, okay, menu drawer, default image, you can just go through it and know what you need and what you don't need. Switch layout, show, okay, okay. So now I think I'm okay with all the settings here. I'm okay with them. I'm okay with the settings. So I'll just click on save changes. So and I'll move to themes. So these are the themes. So I think I'm okay with it, but you can as well create new theme if you want. Take a look at the edge, the top right, the edge, not the complete edge. You see new theme, you can create a new one, but I'm okay with the theme here. I can move on to Firebase. I don't think I need to change anything there. So I'll move to monetize. So in this monetize, this is where the main thing is, because if you get it wrong, there maybe your adverts will not be displayed on your app and you as well not get paid. So this part is very important. So you click on it. There are Google Admob ad and then Facebook audience network. So what I use here is Google Admob. So I just clicked on Google Admob. You see it's requesting for app ID. So I'll go back to where I pasted it and copy it. Okay, and paste it in here. Okay, so add unit. So with that, I'll simply save changes. So you see it, check on the message above. Changes have been saved successfully. So please submit to build. So after doing this, the next thing I will do now is this. I'll go to build. So now to build my application, all I need now is this. I'll simply click on this submit to build. So that's it. So if you check on this status now, on this build status, you see it pending. So you have to wait for it to build. Once it is done building, you will see success written on it. Then you can download the application. So that's it. I'll be waiting for it to show me successfully built. So I can as well refresh while waiting. Okay, you see it. It has written success status, build status success. So I'll just click to download. So it's downloading the application now. So it's downloading. Okay, It's done downloading the application, so I'll open it up and install it. So it's installing. Okay, I have not submitted this to Play Store. That's why it's showing this, that is blocked by Play Store, but I'll install it. It's my application, I'm the one that built it, and to the best of my knowledge, it's safe, so I'll install anyway. Okay, I'm waiting for it. So it's done, the application has been installed, so I'll open it up. So lo and behold, we just built an application. So this is what my application looks like. So this is the header. So I'm going to creativity lecture. So these are my videos, exactly the videos I'm having on YouTube. So if I upload any video on YouTube now, once you open up on this lecture, you will see the video there. These are my tutorials. You can see it on the app, live and direct. So that is how it works. That's how the application works. So you can as well do this for newspapers. You can get as many YouTube channels as possible and integrate them into your application. And you know what? Once people are watching it and it's displaying adverts, you will be getting some tips back on your Google Admob. And once the amount, that is what you get from Google Admob, gets up to $100, then you can withdraw. So for example, now I can decide to create an app for AY comedy or Brother Shaggy comedy or some of these funny top popular comedians, or even Davido. I can as well create an app for newspapers, maybe Tribune newspaper or Sun newspaper. All I need is just their RSS feed, and this way I'll create it. Whatsoever they post on their website, once I open up this application, I'll see it there. So that is how it works. And then that is it for this. You can as well make your application available on Play Store, but you have to pay. So this is it. Submit to Google Play. So once you click on get started, they will ask you to pay $25. I think it's $25 for registration. So launch, whatever. Okay, so you go to sign in. Okay, let me use the online survivor. Okay, so you just continue that from here. Says visit the okay. Once you click on it, so sign up for Google Play developer account. So you click it. So but you have to pay, it's not free. My browser is beginning to misbehave. So you just click I agree. So you can see what is written here. You have to make a payment of $25. So you see it, developer registration fee, $25. So this is where I stop. If you're able to make the payments, you then continue with it, and then your app will be available on Play Store, and people can download it from there. So when I get my $25, I'll make the payment and continue from there. So this is how you create an application using your mobile phone. This is how you create application using your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching. I believe this will open up your creativity, and you'll be able to create as many applications as possible, get them on Play Store, and as people install it and makes use of it, you will be getting some token back in your Google Admob. So thank you so much for watching. Create as many applications as possible. Thank you. God bless you. See you next class. God bless.